Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I thought I'd come and share like one of the smallest hauls ever. And then I got a small project share. So I went to Michael's. That's old. I went to Michael's because I had a little idea that I wanted to make a little tiny traveler's notebook. So I went to Michael's to see if I can find me some elastic. So I don't know where to get it because this is the first time I ever made one. So they had this in the jewelry section, um, and then this was kind of like in the teen section, but it was in the middle. So this didn't go with what I had, and so something told me to go ahead and pick this up, even though this is super skinny and it's not really working out too hot, but it'll do. So anyway, this was like they had it was like 750, but then it was like 40% off or something like that. So it came down to 329, and then this is just regular price at 149. So I got that. And then they had Halloween stuff 50% off. And so I stayed away from a lot of it, but that little potion bottle with the dye, I just couldn't stand. And then the little tombstone, I just thought that was so cute. And then the spider. So anyway, I got this one, and it was $5. And they had some Christmas stuff, guys. Ooh, the Christmas stuff is so cute. They had a bunch of Christmas tags that are just I keep saying I'm not gonna buy any Christmas stuff, but I'm gonna have to break down and get some of that. It's really cute. Like there's this one that's got like this manila. It's like a 2 by 3, I guess. I'm just guessing on the size, but it looks like a little tiny mailing envelope. What do you call those envelopes where they have the two little circles? But anyway, it's like a little manila envelope, but it's mailed to like Santa. It's so cute. But I put it back because it was full price and I had to get this for the project I was using. So this is, I had to use my 40% for this. So these are those sticker pockets. So these were $3.99. I used my 40% off on that. And then they have some of the Cricut stuff on clearance. Like this was $1.49 or something like that. So I have a little cousin. She's like 3 months old, and so I got a little onesie, and so I thought I'd put that on there. So I got that, and then I kept looking at this. I'm like, what am I gonna do with that? But I mean, I could put it on a shirt for me, I guess. But I'm gonna try that. And that was it. That's all I got at Michael's. And most of this stuff I got for the project that I'm doing. Okay, so let's see. I had a little idea because let's see, where is it? We're going through my stash. I'm doing some de-stashing, but I'm doing it on eBay. So you guys want to check that out. I think I'll probably end up putting a link down below if I can figure out how to do it. But anyway, so I was going through my stash and I saw um these little booklets that I got last year from Michaels. And so I was like, that looks like that would be a cute traveler's notebook. So anyway, I tried to make it out of that. So I used this because I thought it went with that. I used this Hobby Lobby paper that I just got on sale. Let's see. And when I went to Michael's today, I went to see if they had any more of these little notebooks, and I couldn't find them. But anyway, let's see. So I used the paper that came in this paper pack, and I used some of the stickers. But these papers are single-sided, so oops, that's upside down. So you have to um, glue them together, in order to make a traveler's notebook. And so I tried to do that, and this one came out a little wonky. So this was my first attempt because I used tape runner instead of glue, because I don't like glue because it kind of warps it. But anyway, I put the tape runner at the top. So if you're gonna try this, put the tape runner down lower. If you have single-sided paper and you're trying to put them back to back, this is what I figured out by trial and error, is put the tape runner down lower, and then that way you can start at the top and line it up without it sticking to it. So anyway, just thought I'd pass that on. So I still might use this because, I mean, only I know where it messed up at. So, and I'm making it for myself. So I'm probably still going to use that. So these are the other two. So I know I'm jumping all around. So this is the little traveler's notebook that I made for myself. So it's these papers, and I laminated it. And then this is that flimsy elastic. Wasn't really happy with it, but hey, it's my first attempt. And then I know that this is probably going to come off in my purse, but I just really liked it, so I just have to take the chance. And so this is where the sticker pocket was, and then this is part of the sticker sheet that came in this paper pack. I got that, and then this was another one of those stickers that came out of this sticker pack. And then this is actually a multi-pack of washi tape that I got from Hobby Lobby last week. And so I thought that that went with it. So I used that. But then this one is the washi tape that came off of this pack. So I got that, and I thought it all coordinates. Now this sketchbook, this was an Amy Tangerine that I got again, that I had in my stash. So I thought that this was like the best size for that. And then these are my dimensions. This is what I figured out. And then this paper clip was in my stash. Now this was a cut apart, and I just kind of cut it on the sides, laminated it, put a little punch a hole in it, and made it into a tag. Let's see. This is that LOL paper pad, and let's see. It's it was a cut apart. There it is. It was a cut apart. Now I actually do the girl too, which it's gonna come at the back end. But see, I use that cut apart, and I just cut it on the sides to make it look like a tag. So I did that, and then I got the couple of little notebooks, and then I put another little sticker pocket here, and then like I said, I laminated her, even though I know she's too big, she's too tall for this, but I had to have her. So I just stuck her in the pocket, and I didn't want to make her into a tag because it was too close and all that kind of stuff. So I just got her stuck in there. And then I put a little washi on the little binder clip. And then that's it. So like I said, it's just for me. So it doesn't have to be perfect. But I like it. I thought it came out cute. And so that's all I had to share. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.